So, it's finally here, my first gaming setup tour. We just recently passed 20,000 subs on this channel, and I'm about to move out for college in 2 days. So what better time than now for a tour of the setup that's gotten me up to this point. Welcome to JJ's Tech Review. If you're new here, hit that sub button. Now let's get to the tour. Now I don't have a whole lot of time to edit this video, so I'm going to try to do it all in one take. Starting off on this side of the room, this is my bed. It's a full size, and I have these sheets from Amazon made of bamboo, and it helps keep me cool at night. I have this picture of the Brooklyn Bridge in black and white, and I have 2 Govee light bars along the side of it, and I think it makes it look really clean. Right next to the bed I have this little trash bin where I just put my garbage. I have 2 LED light strips. One of them is behind the bed and goes along the frame, and it helps bring a lot of color into this space even though it's white. And then the other one right here pretty much goes along the perimeter of my whole room. A few of them are all busted up because I got the cheap ones, and they've been here for a few years, so they're not holding up too bad, but they're, again, having random little splotches of purple and yellow in there. My nightstand's pretty simple. I have this cool JBL alarm clock and a, I think, 4-in-1 charging station, Apple Pencil, AirPods, watch, and phone. I have my AirPods in there right now. I have the remote for my ceiling fan so I can control the speed and turn on the lights. I have my Bible. I have this pretty neat little lamp, which I never really use. It's mostly for decoration. And then down here I have this little power splitter for charging my phone and whatnot. On my dresser I have a ton of stuff on it. I have this LED alarm clock I got on Amazon for like 10 bucks. It looks super cool. I have a mirror on top of the dresser and some of the keyboards I've collected. This is a Gravistar Mercury K1. This is a Yunzi AL68. And this is a Royal Kludge, I think it's a 87. And I just did a recent video on that, so go check that out. I have this Fifine audio interface. I'm not using that too much anymore because I got this new Mount microphone. I'll get to that in a second though. I have my JBL Charge 5 speaker, which I use when I go out. I have this Anchor power bank, which is super helpful for charging my phone on the go. I have my favorite cologne here too. I don't know what brand this is, but my friend gave it to me and it smells really good. And I have a lavender scent diffuser along with a candle right here to help make the room smell a lot better. Along this wall I have some of my hats, and I also have this pull-up bar / dip station, which is super nice to have in the room. Alright, moving on to the desk area, we're going to start with my racing sim. The seat frame for it is an open wheeler kit I got on Amazon, I think it's called. For the headset I have an Oculus Quest 2 with a Razer sticker on it. For my wheel and pedals I have the Moza R3 base with the ES Light steering wheel, I think it's called. And then I have the SRP light pedals with the brake kit upgrade. For my shifter, I found this on Amazon. I don't know what brand it is, but it feels a lot better because I used to have the Logitech shifter and it did not feel good at all. So I upgraded to this thing. It was like maybe 80 bucks and it feels pretty solid. Now we're at the fun part. This is my desk setup, which you guys see in probably all of my videos. For my keyboard, I have this Gravistar Mercury V75 I just got, and it is really cool. I love the clear keycaps and it sounds really cool. I'll show you in a second. For my mouse, I have the glorious Model 02 wireless, and this thing's super light. The battery doesn't last too long, but I don't really have an issue with it, and it looks pretty clean. Over here, I have some notebooks, and I have the carrying case for the lav microphones I'm using for this video. They're called the Fifine M9s, I think. You could pick them up on Amazon for like, I think 100 bucks or like 80 bucks or something like that. On this shelf right here, I have my Xbox controllers. This is the controller that came with the Xbox, and this is the Beitong Azura Pro 2 controller I got. I had this one sent out for a review video, and I'm liking this controller a lot more than the actual Xbox controller because it has these cool paddles on the back. I have 3 spare mice over here. This is like an Amazon Basics one. I got this for like at $5 at like 5 and Below, and then I got this one with a Razer bundle, and I decided to spray paint it white, and obviously my spray painting job wasn't too good. And then lastly I have this Ferrari Lego Formula 1 car, which is pretty cool. Ferrari's my favorite team. Obviously they're not doing too well, but when I was growing up, when I was younger, Ferrari used to be like the best team. I like to live in the past. And then I also have this neat little 3D print which comes apart like that, which is pretty cool. My neighbor gave it to me, and then it does the same thing like that, which is pretty neat. For the microphone, I have a Mayono microphone. I think it's called the DM40 Pro, if I'm not mistaken. I just got this one sent to me too, and I'm really liking it because it's wireless, so I don't have to worry about hiding any cables along this microphone arm. I think this is just a regular Amazon microphone arm. I got it for like 15 bucks. Over here I have a Fifine stream controller. I think it's called the D9, and it was about like 80 bucks on Amazon. It's pretty neat, and I've had a lot of good uses for it. I also have these cool little 3D prints I made at school. This is like a Yoshi monk, and then this one is a cookie cutter, and it's like a star from Super Mario. And then I have this Matchbox car. For the monitor, I'm running the Acer something. It's a 32-inch monitor, and it has a 1440 display with a 180 hertz refresh rate, and I'm really liking it. I have this light bar I got on Amazon for like 40 bucks, and it's holding up really good. I have the remote for it down here, but you could also like turn it off and on the actual bar, and you can change the color temperatures, which is pretty cool. I have these triangle lights I got on Amazon too. They're like a Nanoleaf alternative, because at the time I could not afford Nanoleaf lights, which I still really can't. But hey, that would be a good opportunity to sponsor me, so hit me up, Nanoleaf. And now for the crown jewel of my setup, my PC. This is my dream gaming PC. I built this like a few weeks ago. I think I spent around $2,500 on it. For the CPU, I have an AMD Ryzen 7800X 3D. For the GPU, I have a 5070 Ti. For the RAM, I have 2 sticks of 16 gig DDR5 RAM. And then for the motherboard, I have this ASRock Pro. For the AIO, I have this Arctic 360 Pro. And then for the case fans, I could not fit the Lian Li unit fans into my budget, so I went ahead and picked up these Amazon alternatives. And all of these components are placed inside this NZXT H9. Next to my PC, I have my Xbox. I don't really play on it too much, but I'm definitely going to bring it to college with me. And then for my sound system, I have this Samsung soundbar, and it fits perfectly between this shelf and the desk. So I think it turned out pretty clean. I have the subwoofer for it down there, so when I'm playing a game and there's an explosion, it shakes my whole room. It's pretty neat. And I've never seen really anybody on YouTube try this, so I think I'm the first to try a soundbar in the setup, and it works really well. So if you have the space for it, give it a try. And then there's subtle things like these blackout curtains I got on Amazon. I have a video up for those, I'm pretty sure, so you could go check that video out if you want. And that pretty much sums up my whole setup. Oh, and for my chair, I have this GT Racing white chair I got on Amazon, and it's pretty light. It's holding up pretty well. I mean, these things aren't too great, but yeah, it's held up for about 2 years now, so A+ for that. And yeah, that's pretty much my whole setup, so let me know what y'all think. Obviously, I'm moving out, so this is not going to be here for much longer. I do plan on bringing a lot of this with me to college, so definitely stay tuned for a setup build video in my college dorm. But yeah, if you enjoyed, definitely hit that sub button, like the video, show me some support. I am trying to reach 100,000 subscribers before the end of 2026, so help me reach that goal. Anyways, thanks for watching this far. I'll see y'all in the next one.